This is the PE4 paper from June 2024. This is question number 1, and I hope you can see this is integration by parts. 5 marks, relatively straightforward, so let's jump straight in and do it. We've got the integral between pi over 6 and 0 of x cos 3x dx. I'm going to set u equals x, and I'm going to set dv by dx to equal cos 3x. Why am I doing that? Well, because when I differentiate x, I just get 1, but when I integrate cos 3x, I get the third in there, but apart from that, sine 3x and cos 3x are the same level of difficulty, so that's going to make the process for the integration by parts work smoothly. I've got u dv dx is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. I always write this formula down, just helps me for it to get into my mind. I'm going to need to be able to use this formula almost certainly in the exam, so knowing it and being able to use it. uv is those two there, so that's going to be x over 3 sine 3x minus v du. Because of the way I set mine out, it's always those bottom two. And yeah, look, now I've got a third sine 3x dx. If we compare these two functions now, that one there and that one there, we've got rid of the x, which means that this thing that's highlighted in blue now, I can actually just integrate that. So this is x over 3 sine 3x, and then the integral of a third sine 3x is going to be a ninth cos 3x. So we're going to get a ninth cos 3x here. The integral of sine is minus cos, so the minus and the minus means that that will work out to be plus that there. Right, we've got it between pi over 6 and 0. So what I'm going to do now is almost to go back through and just put pi over 6, 0, and even here. You don't need these, but it makes it a little bit better for the examiner. I think they'll make it more likely that I'll get marks for method and things like that if they're convinced that I know what I'm doing. And so all we've got to do now is to sub pi over 6 in. I'm going to do this slowly. You might do this much, much quicker than me, but I'm just doing it for the video here. So sine, this would be 3 pi over 6, which obviously is pi over 2, and then a ninth cos 3 pi over 6, which again would be, 3 pi over 6 there. All of that minus, and then putting 0 in. Well, if I put 0 in, 0 times anything, it's going to give me 0, and that's going to give me a ninth cos 0 there. And then from that stage, I can pretty much, I think, I go to my answer here. You can work all these bits out, but we're going to have pi over 6 over 3 is going to be pi over 18 here. And when we're looking at these ones, cos pi, that one, cos pi over 2, that one will go, but we'll just get that one in there. So it works out to be minus a ninth there. Okay, so what did they say? They wanted to give your answer in the simplest form, exact answer there. So yeah, relatively straightforward, a nice start to the exam. Hopefully that all makes sense to you.